Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing posture and focus so your eyes can relax and strengthen. Sit tall with a neutral spine and breathe slowly. This calms ocular muscles. Once aligned, perform gentle neck rolls and shoulder releases for 2 to 5 minutes to remove tension that pulls on eye alignment. Make sure lighting is soft and avoid glare. Then pick a target 30 to 60 centimeters away and set a timer for short intervals. This establishes a controlled starting point for the exercises. Now you move into the core sequence that actually retrains focus and coordination. Start with palming. Cup your palms over closed eyes for 1 to 2 minutes while breathing deeply to promote relaxation. Once done, practice near-far focus. Shift gaze between a close object and a distant one for 10 seconds each, repeating about 10 times to improve accommodative flexibility. Then trace a slow figure 8 with your eyes for 2 minutes in one direction and reverse. This enhances smooth pursuit and binocular coordination. To finish, gently cool down by soft blinking and a final minute of palming to rehydrate and settle the eyes. Make sure to schedule these routines twice daily for 10 to 20 minutes. Consistency over 4 to 8 weeks yields measurable gains in focus and comfort. Reinforce with regular screen breaks and ergonomic adjustments. If you experience sharp pain, persistent double vision, or increased blurriness, stop immediately and consult an eye care professional. Reduce intensity or
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.